Hormonal shifts drain brain energy. Neuronutrition and hormone therapy revive clarity.
Brain fog with cutting-edge science. Are you tired all the time? Is brain fog your constant companion? The reason isn't in your schedule, it's in your synapses. For too long, the severe cognitive exhaustion many of us feel has been dismissed as just stress or fatigue. Groundbreaking neurological research reveals that shifting hormones in women do not just affect reproduction. They radically alter how the brain metabolizes energy. The science explains that estrogen is crucial for regulating glucose in your brain. It acts as the primary fuel source. Researchers found that low or fluctuating estrogen levels directly inhibit cellular energy production. When estrogen drops, your brain literally loses its primary fuel source. This isn't speculation. It's peer-reviewed science from one of the world's leading journals. This is the authoritative data on the estrogen brain energy axis. So what does this energy drop mean for your mind? It triggers a cascade of biological events. When brain energy drops, your neural pathways undergo a process called microglial activation. Microglia are the brain's immune cells. When they sense this energy deficit, they panic. They shift from protecting your brain to actively inflaming it, releasing tiny particle clouds representing this inflammation. This neuroinflammation is the true biological root of sudden memory lapses and that heavy, clouded feeling in your head. This inflammatory state drives up oxidative stress markers, biological rust in your neural networks. Without stable hormones, your brain attempts a rapid recalibration. It is forced to reroute your thoughts through alternative, less efficient neural pathways. The brain is essentially trying to run a high-speed fiber optic network on a dial-up connection, which explains why your mental endurance shatters by mid-afternoon. The good news is that modern clinical data provides a clear path forward for targeted restoration of brain function. If you are experiencing this, you are not alone. Up to 80% of women experience cognitive shifts and brain fog during periods of hormonal transition. This is a systemic reality. The first step is rescuing the mitochondria, your cellular power plants, using neuronutrition. Targeted nutrients provide the alternative fuel your brain needs, reducing oxidative stress. Modern neuroendocrinology views targeted hormone replacement therapy, or HRT, as, quote, brain protection therapy. Restoring baseline hormones switches off the microglial panic and reopens high-speed glucose pathways. It's time to take control of your cognitive health. You deserve clarity and sustained energy. To summarize, your brain fog is a biological energy crisis triggered by dropping estrogen, causing neuroinflammation. But targeted neuronutrition and precision hormone optimization can restore your neural pathways. Don't let dismissive medicine tell you it's just stress. Demand the science. Talk to your doctor about protecting your brain's energy pathways. If you found this clinical deep dive valuable, subscribe to LunarWise. We decode the latest medical science for women, so you never have to navigate your biology in the dark. Stay informed, stay wise.